Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to check voicemail details on Android. Now if you want to check your voicemail details, first you have to open your phone app. Then tap on three dots. Then tap on settings. After that go to voicemail. And here it is. From here you can check your voicemail details. If you have two SIM cards in your phone, then you can check your both SIM voicemail details. If I tap on voicemail number, you can see there is no voicemail number in my phone. If you want to set any number, just tap on this icon and then choose any contact as you like. If I select this, then tap on OK, then tap on OK again, and it's done. Also, if you tap on notifications, then tap on sound, you can also change your voicemail notification sound from here. Also, you can increase or decrease your notification sound volume from here. And that's it. You have successfully checked your voicemail details in your Android phone using this simple method. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.